Well, hello beautiful friends, it's Lynette here again, and today I want to take you on a cleanup of my messy sunroom. I garden here in Circleville, Ohio, and I'm in a zone 6A, 6B. We also decorate the inside. So if you like what you see today, be sure to let me know. Let Nikki know, my friend that helps me with this channel, and subscribe, like, comment, all the good stuff. But come and join us today as we do a sunroom glow up. Welcome back to my garden, or should I say welcome back to my sunroom and a mess that I have. I want to take you for a day of cleaning up the sunroom and trying to figure out why things like this happen. Does this happen to you guys too? So let's get it cleaned. Well, I started off with moving everything from this side of the table into another room, and now that room's messy. I know, can you guys relate to that? And then what I did was I just got a little Dollar Tree tablecloth to put on my table, and I want to start bringing in my seedlings from the other room in here now that it's starting to warm up, because my sunroom can get really chilly at night, but I think it might be getting warm enough for the seedlings to make it. Oh my goodness, this is so much better. Doesn't it make you feel better when you get everything kind of spiffied up? It's not perfect, and I took the roller, the brush out, and I've vacuumed all my windows out, and now I can bring in my dahlias. Okay, so I was able to bring all my dahlias that we planted up, and it's not looking real sunny right now because there's clouds, but it'll be sunnier in here for these dahlias. But I wanted to give you a quick update. I wanted to show you the Vigoro that I got at Home Depot. I'm not having a whole lot of, well, I don't see anything green coming up, and I sort of thought when I was planting these that they didn't seem right. So we'll see though. We're gonna give them some more time. But that's the Vigoro. And then I'm super happy with Sam's Club. It's the Border Blend Dahlia. And would you look at all that? I mean, I can't complain whatsoever. It looks like I got 1, 2, 3. And there's a little one on that one coming up, which is 4. And then here's some more of the Sam's Club Border Blend, and they're doing really good as well. So Sam's Club is the win right now. Okay, here's some more Sam's Club. It is the Dahlia Lavender Perfection. It's this purple color right there. And I honestly am not seeing a whole lot on here, but I do see, if you can see closely, there's a green sprout there. And we'll just kind of keep waiting. Oh, and there's a green sprout over here, if you guys can see that. So Sam's Club is doing great. And then here is the Dahlia Pom Pom, and this is Proven Winners. And it's doing really well too. It's just getting a slow start. But on this one plant, you can see 1, 2, 3, about 4 different eyes coming up. And then on my Wizard of Oz, I might have to bury that a little deeper because I just noticed, see the eyes up here coming up? I'm gonna have to bury that one a little deeper. And my last one that I want to do a dinner plate Dahlia Snow Country. It's from our Straters, our local nursery here. And we got 2 of them planted in here. And I'm not seeing anything on this one, but I am seeing that green little shoot on that one. So things are looking great in the Dahlia area. Little update on my snapdragons. They are looking just beautiful. And this is going to be the first night they sleep in the sunroom. So I'm going to keep a real close eye on them. I'll probably come in here around midnight and see what they're looking like, because we're getting down into the 30-degree mark at night. And this is an old home, so these windows are not the greatest. So I'll keep a close eye on these guys. They might have to move back out into the dining room. But they're looking great. And I'm going to show you real fast how I fertilize them, because they're starting to get their true leaves. And usually the true leaves are the second set of leaves after that first set. And they'll start looking like, you know, what the plant normally looks like. Because usually when seedlings grow up, that first little set of leaves that you see in the middle there, those are original leaves, and then the ones that are coming out are the true leaves. Okay, so I wanted to show you real fast how I fertilize my seedlings. For the very first fertilizing, I go really low on the amount of fertilizer versus water. So normally I would put a scoop of fertilizer in this gallon jug, and I think what I did was 1/4 of the scoop. And then what I do is I pour that into this little squeegee. I actually think it's a mustard squeegee from the Dollar Tree. And I will show you how easy it is to fertilize. Okay, so we just poured a little bit of our fertilizer solution into our little, I'm not going to put a whole lot on these because I just watered them, but I just wanted to show you guys. And then I just take and, you know, squeeze the fertilizer right into the plant. I love the squeegee thing because you can get right down to the base of things without like smashing the flower. Well, now we have to do this side. I don't know how things get like this, but it's real life. There's Rosie's jacket for when we go on walks. And my goal is to get all my flowers organized in the tubs below it. Oof, always something, huh? But you gotta go find your passion. Welcome to my clean sunroom. I just love it when it's nice and fresh, and I don't know why I don't do it more often, because that probably only took me a few hours to do. So much more I could do in here, but for now, it's gonna be good enough, you guys. I didn't really touch my seed shelf at all, so I could really do some organizing in that. And I have a new apron that I just ordered that I can hang up there. And I'm leaving my boxes here because it's stuff I'm utilizing quite often, and with an old home we don't have a ton of storage. But I'm very happy with what we got done today. A little seed mailbox. Well, we got it done, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me on my sunroom cleanup. I wish I would do this like more often, but it is what it is. I got it cleaned up. I'm gonna try to keep it that way. And you guys, I hope this inspires you to go clean something in your, organize something in your home, and go find your passion today. Thanks, guys.